Would you like to start a business without leaving your home? That's the dream of many, and today you're one step closer to making it a reality. In this video, I present to you the 10 best machines to start a business from the comfort of your home. These are practical, affordable tools full of potential to turn your ideas into real income. The best part is that you don't need prior experience or a large investment. All you need is motivation, creativity, and a small space to get started. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. That way we can reach more people who, like you, are looking to build their financial freedom. Now then, let's get started. Number 10. Portable Plasma Cutting Machine. If the idea of creating metal pieces with a professional touch from your garage excites you, a portable CNC plasma cutter is the perfect starting point for an innovative business. With an investment of $500 to $2,000 on sites like Amazon, you can get this machine that cuts steel, aluminum, or iron with millimeter precision. It's compact, works with free software like Fusion 360, and only needs a 220-volt connection. You don't need to be an engineer. With online tutorials you'll be creating in no time. With this tool, you can offer high-demand services, from decorative letters and custom gates to machinery parts or metal art. You can also manufacture unique products like business signs or home sculptures. Prices vary depending on the project, but you can charge between $20 and $150 per piece, depending on the design and material. The best part is that you work on demand from home, and you can advertise on Instagram, Etsy, or local hardware stores. If you're passionate about combining technology with creativity, this machine is your ally. And speaking of technology, the next one uses pure light to generate impressive profits. Number 9. Portable Laser Cleaning Machine. Did you know you can clean metals in seconds without chemicals or effort? A portable laser cleaning machine is ideal for starting a business with a technological and booming service. Starting at $500, you can find compact models that fit in a suitcase and run only on electricity. They remove rust, paint, or dirt from metal, concrete, or stone without damaging the surface. It's as easy as point and shoot, with professional results from day one. You can offer services to auto repair shops, construction companies, restorers, or maintenance businesses. You can also work on restoration projects like cleaning old tools or art pieces. Each service can cost between $30 and $150, depending on complexity. The advantage is that you can operate from home or work on the go, advertising on social media, Google Ads, or platforms like Thumbtack. If you like the idea of a cutting-edge business, this machine is for you. And if you're into recycling, the next machine could be the ideal business for you. Number 8. Copper Wire Granulator Machine. Turning old cables into income? Yes, a copper wire granulator machine does that and more, opening the doors to a profitable recycling business. For between $2,500 and $6,500, you can get a machine that grinds electrical cables and separates the copper from the plastic using air or vibration. There are compact models perfect for home and more robust ones for scaling up. You'll need used cables, which you can buy by the kilo at scrapyards or hardware stores. With this machine, you can sell clean copper to recyclers, foundries, or electrical workshops. From each kilo of cable, you get between 300 and 800 grams of pure copper, which sells for about $8 per kilo. Processing 50 kilograms of old cables per day, you could generate up to $150 daily. The great thing is that the investment pays off quickly. You work from home and you help the environment. Alright, if recycling motivates you, the next machine will take you into the world of personalization. Number 7. Mini Heat Press for Sublimation. If you're passionate about designing and customizing, a mini heat press for sublimation is your gateway to a business full of possibilities. For about $60 on Amazon, you can get this compact tool that prints designs onto mugs, t-shirts, hats, or phone cases. It's easy to use, takes up little space, and free tutorials on YouTube will guide you from your very first project. With Sublimation, you can create corporate gifts, wedding favors, or clothing with original designs. Demand is high at events, local stores, or on social media. Each item can sell for between $10 and $40, depending on the product and the design. Plus, you can take online orders and create exclusive collections that generate loyal customers. The flexibility of working from home and at your own pace makes this business perfect for creatives. And if you love putting your personal stamp on things, the next machine is perfect for you. Number 6. Refrigerator magnet making machine. Looking for a simple business with a steady market? A refrigerator magnet making machine is perfect for starting a business with products that never go out of style. For less than $100, you can get a kit with a press, molds, and starter materials. You just print or cut out an image, place it on a magnetic base, and press it. Magnet ready in seconds. You don't need any experience, and costs are minimal, with each magnet costing less than 50 cents. You can sell magnets with funny quotes, family photos, or tourist designs to local businesses, souvenir shops, or on Etsy. Each magnet sells for between $1 and $5. The great thing about them is that they're ideal for events like weddings or corporate promotions. And the best part is that you work on demand, from home, with low investment and a huge market. If you love handmade crafts, the next machine will have you stitching up dreams and profits. Number 5. Portable sewing machine. If the idea of creating with fabrics excites you, a portable sewing machine is the perfect starting point for a flexible, high-demand business. Starting at $50 on Amazon, you'll find compact, easy-to-use models. You don't need to be an expert. With online tutorials, you'll learn to sew in just a few days. They're perfect for beginners and don't require a professional workshop. With this machine, you can offer clothing alterations, hems, adjustments, or quick repairs. Services that always have customers. You can also make products like bags, cushions, or custom curtains to sell at markets or on social media. Prices range from $5 to $25 per project, depending on the work. The big advantage is that you work from home, on demand, and at your own pace, without a large initial investment. Now, if sewing inspires you, the next machine takes homemade food to another level. Number 4. Manual hamburger press. If you're passionate about fast food, a manual hamburger press is your ally to start a business that never stops being profitable. For around $150 on Amazon, you can get this tool that shapes uniform burgers in seconds. It's easy to use, clean, and takes up little space. Perfect to start from home. You can create anything from classic burgers to gourmet versions with special ingredients. Sell at fairs, local markets, or with home delivery, charging between $3 and $6 per burger, depending on size and extras. The demand for homemade food is booming, and you can take advantage of it with your own brand. The best part is that you control your schedule, work with orders, and need very little investment. If you enjoy cooking, the next machine will connect you with lovers of natural flavors. Number 3. Grinder for spices and grains. If you want a business with low investment and high demand, a grinder for spices and grains is a simple and effective option. For about $90 or more on Amazon, you can buy a compact grinder that processes coffee, pepper, cumin, or turmeric. It's easy to operate and produces fresh ground spices that attract those who value quality in their kitchen. You can sell small packages of ground spices or grains at organic markets, local stores, or online, charging between $2 and $5 per package depending on the presentation. Costs are low and turnover is fast, especially with good marketing. The advantage is that you work from home, with minimal investment and a product that always sells. Let's move on to the next machine, which will help you bottle your creations. Number 2. Automatic liquid filling machine. Dreaming of launching your own line of liquid products? An automatic liquid filling machine is perfect to start professionally from home. For about $230 on Amazon, you can get this tool that fills bottles or jars with precision, ideal for oils, juices, cleaners, or creams. It's compact, easy to use, and reduces waste, which improves your margins. You can create your own brand of homemade products and sell them at markets, stores, or on social media, charging about $3 to $6 per unit, depending on the product. Its versatility allows you to cover niches like food, cosmetics, or cleaning. The great thing is that you work at your own pace from home, with a professional finish and low investment. Alright, if you like to produce, the last machine is for those who think big. Number 1. Chain link fence making machine. Ready for a high-impact business? A chain link fence making machine lets you manufacture metal mesh with constant demand in construction and security. For about $8,000 on Alibaba, you can get manual or automatic models that weave galvanized wire in a zigzag pattern. One person can operate it after a brief training, and costs are low. The wire costs around $1 per square meter, and it sells for $3. Producing 100 meters a day can generate very good monthly income, selling to hardware stores, construction companies, or farms. Advertise on social media or construction material platforms to grow fast. Although the investment is higher, the profitability and demand make it worth it. You can work from home or a yard with a business that can scale. And that's it, friends. These machines give you the freedom to create, innovate, and generate income from home. Tell me, which of these machines would you like to have at home? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, now's the time to subscribe and give it a like. Up next, I'll leave you with other videos that can help you start your business. Pick one and enjoy. See you next time.